Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can use STREMIO Android on your Android phone. And this is a short method I'm going to show you. So the first method is you need to go to your Play Store and download VLC app. Just type in VLC. Yes, download this option. As you can see, mine is already downloaded on my phone. So for the next step is you need to go to your browser. I would recommend that you use Chrome browser. So let's get into it. So you need to type in web.stremio.com. You just need to click and it will bring you to this page. What you need to do is to create an account here. As you can see, I've already created an account. Then for the next step is you need to go to settings and go to advanced settings. Just click down. Okay, these are the advanced settings. As you can see, they are disabled. So what you need to do is to click here on VLC. And now, every time you stream a show or a movie, it will automatically play on your VLC. And that is simply how it's done. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me in the comment section whether it has worked for you.